Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to upgrade the Oppressor MK2. To fully customize this powerful vehicle, you'll need to make a few key investments first. The primary requirement is owning a terabyte, which itself needs a nightclub for storage. We'll break down each cost, including the initial purchase of the Oppressor MK2 and its essential modifications, to give you a clear picture of the total investment. Before you can even think about upgrading your Oppressor MK2, you need a few foundational items. First, a nightclub is essential to store the terabyte, with the cheapest option costing about $1,080,000. Next, purchase the terabyte for $1,375,000. Crucially, you must then add the specialized vehicle workshop to your terabyte for an additional $495,000. This is the only place to customize your MK2. Now, let's talk about the Oppressor MK2 itself. Its base price is $8 million, but you can reduce this to $6 million by completing 5 client jobs from your terabyte. Once you have it, essential upgrades include homing missiles for $180,000. Other key enhancements like armor, engine tunes, and countermeasures will add approximately another $200,000 to $260,000 to your total customization expenses. So, what's the grand total? To acquire a nightclub, terabyte with its specialized workshop, and a fully upgraded Oppressor MK2, you're looking at an investment ranging from roughly $9 million to $11 million. This figure depends heavily on whether you unlock the trade price for the Oppressor MK2 and your choice of nightclub location. It's a substantial sum, but for many, the utility and power of a fully customized Oppressor MK2 make it a worthwhile expenditure in Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.